Do you know this word, cozy?
Cozy. I think so. I hear it sometimes. Is it like warm and happy and relaxed? Like when you are in a warm house and it is cold outside?
Yes, exactly. That's a perfect description. Cozy is that feeling of being warm, safe, and comfortable, like being under a soft blanket or wearing a big sweater or drinking a cup of warm soup.
Ah, I understand. Warm soup is very cozy. I like that feeling.
Me too. And today we are going to talk about cozy seasons. You know, spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
Ah, okay. I like this topic. It is a good topic.
Great. So Joey, let's start with you. What is your favorite season?
My favorite is the time when, how to say it? It is when the leaves on the trees change color and they fall down. It is very colorful.
Ah, you mean autumn.
Autumn. Yes, autumn. I always forget that word. It is a little difficult for me.
No problem at all. Many people, especially in America, also say fall. They say fall because the leaves fall from the trees. You can say autumn or fall. Both are correct.
Oh, fall. That is much easy to remember. I like fall. Thank you.
You're welcome. And a small correction there. You would say that is much easier to remember. When we compare two things, we add ER. Easy becomes easier.
Easier. Okay. Fall is easier to remember. So, why do you like autumn, Yugen?
We'll get to my favorite season soon. First, tell me more about why you like autumn.
Okay. I like the colors. The leaves is red and yellow and orange and brown. Very beautiful.
Yes, they are. And remember, when you talk about many leaves, you say the leaves are red and yellow.
Oh, okay. Yes. I forget. One leaf is, many leaves are. The leaves are so beautiful. I also like the air. The air is different, not hot.
That's a great point. We often use the word crisp to describe the air in autumn. It means it's cool, fresh, and dry.
Crisp. I like that word. The air is crisp. Yes, and I can wear my, the warm shirt for cold weather, the thing made of wool.
Do you mean a sweater?
A sweater. Yes, I love sweaters. I like wear a sweater.
Me too. And we would say, I like to wear a sweater. You need to wear and the article a.
I like to wear a sweater. Okay. And I also like to wear the long thing for your neck to stay warm.
Ah, a scarf.
Yes, a scarf. A sweater and a scarf. It is very comfortable. And you, Yugen, what season you like?
Good question. To make it perfect, you'd ask, what season do you like? And for me, while I do love autumn, I think my favorite season is winter.
Winter? Really? But winter is very cold. Here in Turkey, winter can have much snow.
That's true, but I like being warm inside my home when it's cold outside. I love to sit with a big, soft blanket and listen to the rain on the window. The sound is very peaceful.
Peaceful. What is peaceful?
Peaceful means it is very quiet, calm, and it makes you feel relaxed, like a quiet library, or the forest in the morning, or a sleeping cat. It's a feeling of no stress.
I understand. Quiet and calm. Yes, the rain sound is peaceful. And you can drink hot chocolate.
Exactly. A warm drink on a cold day is the best. I like to put marshmallows in my hot chocolate. Do you?
Marshmallows. The soft, white, sweet things. Yes, I love marshmallows. It makes the hot chocolate more cozy.
I agree. So let's talk about hobbies. What cozy things do you like to do? For example, in autumn, what is your hobby?
In autumn, after my walk in the park with the crisp air, I read a book.
Oh, nice. We would say, I like to read a book, or I like reading a book. Both are correct and mean the same thing.
I like to read a book. This is very relaxing. And I always drink tea when I read.
That sounds wonderful. What kind of books do you like to read?
I like books with magic and dragons. A hero goes to a new place, a big trip.
Ah, so you like adventure stories or fantasy books.
Adventure. Yes, that is the word. I love adventure books. And what about you, Yugen? What is your hobby for the winter?
In the winter, I love watching movies. I sit on my sofa with my favorite blanket and watch a funny or happy movie.
What kind of funny movie?
I love comedies, movies that make me laugh. I also like animated movies, like the ones from Disney or Pixar. They always feel so magical, especially in winter.
I like animated movies, too. Do you eat snacks when you watch a movie?
Of course, I love to make a big bowl of popcorn.
Me too. I like eat popcorns with salt.
That's the best way. And a small correction, we just say popcorn, even when it's a lot. We don't add an S. So you'd say, I like to eat popcorn.
Okay, no S. I like to eat popcorn. This is good to know. It seems we both like the cool seasons for relaxing?
For relaxing. Great job, Joey. You corrected yourself. That's fantastic.
Thank you. This was very fun. We talked about autumn, winter, sweaters and scarves, and we talked about reading adventure books and watching comedies.
We did. And we learned some great new words and grammar, like crisp, peaceful, adventure, and how to use are for many things. Your English was wonderful today, Joey.
Thank you, Yugen. And thank you, everyone, for listening to us. I hope you learned with me.
We hope you felt cozy and learned something new. Join us next time at Yugen Speaks.
Goodbye for now.